Well, we're at it again. We are out green laning again. This time we've got Mr. Hippodromes with us. We've got Petsa, we've got Womble, we've got Crazy Dan. Crazy Romanian Dan. Here he comes. I think he will be wearing a crash helmet at some point during the ride. So what we got? We've got my little T250i, which I'm using, 2-stroke. Womble's on the FE250, the 254 stroke. Pez's on the CRF 250, and Hippodrome's Pete is on the Beta. What size engine is it? 350. 350 Suzuki engine, correct? Yeah. We're going to find ourselves some lanes and have a bit of fun. So we're going to work our way towards Hindhead is the plan, bringing in some of the local lanes. Dan is our Romanian tour guide for this one. He knows most of these around here. He knows the best ones to go on, nice easy ones to break us in, nice and gentle.
Lowest, heaviest bike here.
Yeah, you're going to be a bit of a disadvantage with the... you can prove what a CRF can do. You don't need to spend £9 on a nice Husky. It's 8.5. That's 8 actually. It's 8 actually. That yours is 8.4, is it? How much are one of these? 5?
No, I paid.
You stole it. What are you on about?
3.7.
3.7.
Brand new.
Exactly. What about the Beta, Pete? How much is the Beta?
It's £5.
It's £5.
On the road, £5.
So do you have to spend big money to have fun? That's it, isn't it? It'll be interesting to see though, won't it, what your money gets you. We said it the other day, you know, these are expensive bikes, £8 bikes. Those bikes are both under £5,000. Are we going to find it easier though because we've got better bikes? Are they going to struggle?
Is the bike going to make me look good? Please, please.
Go your turn, mate, after you.
Me?
Not a bad effort, mate, not a bad effort.
You pussy down there?
I did.
Oh shit.
Kill switch. Oh, it's underwater. You alright?
That's it.
Got it?
Yeah, I can't get my leg.
Oh, you stuck under the bike. You should have said. I could have got off. I think your enthusiasm outweighed your ability there when you set off.
I was just like, yeah, let's go for it.
Dan can do it, I can do it.
Cheers, lads.
Sorry, mate, you said you were trapped. Oh, you could have got off. This is worse than it was the other day, isn't it? Oh, even Dan's nearly off here. Dan's down. Dan's down. Christ, look at this. It wasn't this bad the other day, was it?
Go on.
I don't want to get all shitty.
I'm going down again on this, I think.
Training, you must remember. Look at that, he's straight through.
Perfect.
What a man. It does help with these trips out if you've got an experienced tour guide. Eagle, another eagle there, look. That'll be you later, Eddie the Eagle.
Of all the people, Eddie the bloody eagle.
There's another one. Whoa, Petsa's down.
Whoa. Oh, your bike's gone down.
Oops. Wasn't me, Husky, honestly. Go on, mate, do the turn.
What?
Yeah, you come right off. That's it, a bit more. Give us some beans. Is it in gear? Yeah. Hey, go. You got to spin it, just spin it up. Give it a load of clutch. Beautiful, that's just how Adi did it, mate. You stood up or sat down?
Sat down.
Oh, I just don't like it stood up. It just feels like the bike's getting away from you. You can't put your foot down if it's stood up, you just fall off, don't you?
Go straight through it, innit?
Go, mate. I'm straight through. I'm not pussyfooting about like you chaps. Give it the beat, sir. The beat is what you want. We don't want to do that nightmare one where you got to literally drag the bikes up. Not that really bad one with a massive rut like that.
He wants to do it.
No, he doesn't. He's only joking.
You want to do it?
No, the other one. Just do the other one. You don't do it. It's a nightmare, that one. Sorry, mate. I would have got off if I realised you were trapped under it.
Too busy laughing.
I was too busy laughing and filming you. And who's going to do that if I'll get off? Just jealous I didn't fall off, mate. I don't know, just jealous. It's just jealousy. It's just jealousy. Green isn't your colour, mate. Green isn't your colour. Good to go, mate. Dan's like, come on, guys. Jesus. We're never going to get to Hindhead at this rate. Oh, yeah, this bit. I remember this bit. Dan's off. Dan's off. You right, Dad? You manage? Let me, I can't get off it really. You on? It's gonna, yeah, he's, I'm going that way. We do it. Oh.
Can you do it? I'm off now, you bastard.
I can't get off because mine's just going to fall down. You alright, Dad? In the shit.
Oh.
I've got you.
Oh! Oh, now you tell me.
Really back out again.
Look at me fucking foot.
Easy as that, mate. Easy as that. Oh no, this is all off camber, mate. There could be me down in that water in a minute. Much to your amusement, no doubt. Ah, easy, mate, easy.
That's how the pros do it, isn't it?
Look at him, he loves it there. He could go the easy route, but why would he want to do that when he could go through there? He's showing us what the bikes can actually do. Morning! Does that dog have one eye?
No, he was winking. Oh, what's Dad doing here?
You've got to absolutely love it to be willing to invest the money, haven't you, in one?
That's the thing, and it's not just the bike, is it? It's the trailer,
What I think is great about it is having it in the winter though, do you know what I mean? When you're not riding your road bike, then you use these all winter and go out and have fun, and keeps you on a bike all year round then. Because I know people use their bikes in the winter, but it's no, you can't throw them around, you can't really enjoy yourself, can you? Yeah, you could go along and be cold and it's fine, but it's not fun in the riding in the winter. Whereas doing this in the winter, bloody scream. This is where you fell off, mate.
Oh, thanks for reminding me.
Not repeat that today.
Oh, nearly went there.
Stay loose. Loose on the bike, mate. Oh, it's quite more churned out than it was the other day. Oh. Hey! I used the burn there, mate. I'm a pro here.
Come on.
Yoo-hoo! I like that one. It's a good one, isn't it? Yoo-hoo! He's pointing right. Woohoo! Yeah, this is it, mate. This is our favourite. We couldn't have got up this hill, could we?
You know that drop bit, that's what would worry me.
They'd never get up there on their bikes. We might just be able to get up it on ours, maybe, after lots of falling off.
Well, with my skill and charisma.
I barely stayed on going down.
I don't know pussying around. I'll go for it.
Ah, 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 ah. Sweat. Yeah, this is slippery as hell. This is the. I think this is the easy option. Oh, it's another one of those big nasty drops. Can't lie, I'm scared. Out of the way there, Dags, I'm coming in hot. What a pro! Oh! Oh, Pete's GoPro's taking a hit. You go to the left and then cut across to the middle sort of thing. Oh really? Oh god.
This looks flat as a pancake. Oh.
I think that's where that bit of extra ground clearance and bit of suspension travel probably gives a bit of advantage on this sort of stuff.
Give me a cigar, someone.
Give us a bump. Boo! Fist pump. Boo! Boot pump. Bring it in, Pete. Boom! Just making our way up to the Devil's Punchbowl now. There's a little bit of road work to get there. Taking the reins in where we can, but I've been to the Devil's Punchbowl before. There's a lot of sand, there's a few river crossings. It's an interesting place, so I think it's worth a little bit of road work. Get your dirty scuffy prints on Husqvarna's bike, you naughty boy. Time for a quick coffee before we hit the Punchbowl lanes. Right, so just got to the Punchbowl. Before we hit the lanes, we're going to just have a little bit of grub, some sustenance. Yeah, not a bad day so far, really enjoying it. It's quite wet. I can't believe how much the lanes have changed since last time me and Womble did them. It's been a lot of rain, a lot slippier. I know at the Punchbowl there's lots of sand. You can see that it's completely different. We're off the chalk now onto more sandy, muddy trails. So quite interesting to try something a little bit different. Just pop them down anywhere you can. Yeah, jacket totes. Smashing, thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Ooh, lovely. That'll be lunch. Pez is going for it. Where Pez is going? Where Pez is trying to go? Didn't realise we were doing extreme enduro today, did you, Pete? Pete, what are you doing? Full throttle, Pete, full throttle. Oh yeah, you made it as well. Not so much handbag, more bum bag. It's going to kill me bringing him out off-roading around here now. Woohoo! Dan's getting some proper air. What did you do? Hey! You can get some air here, mate. Right. No. Whoa! Massive wheelie there. 2, 1, go!